The agricultural lands in the Wilaya of Manah in Al-Dakhiliya Governorate are renowned for their fertile soil. All year round, these high-yielding fields produce the finest types of crops and grains, the most prominent of which is the sesame crop. From cultivation to harvest, the Omani farmers pay a great attention to the sesame crop, yielding a significant added value. Saeed Al Abdali, one of the keen Omani farmers who cultivate sesame. This season is promising with abundant production of sesame.
It needs a special care actually, because this type of trees it don't like too much water, and you have to control it. You have to know when you are giving water, when you just a little bit make it further, and also it need take cares for those many diseases now comes, and you need to know when it's ready to give the crops, the seeds. I mean, you have to know the exact time, because if you didn't take it in the exact time, it will be in the ground.
Sesame cultivation is considered an agricultural heritage that has been passed down from one generation to another. 4 months after cultivation, the old and the young go to the field to harvest the sesame crop, cutting the sesame plants and drying them for a period of 20 days.
Sesame is one of the that Omanis they're taking care for farming it here in Oman. It's taken around 4 months since started with putting the seeds in the ground and taking care for the trees itself, watering, and until it finished after 4 months by taking the crops from the seeds from the trees itself.
These dark red sesame seeds contain a considerable amount of oil, representing a nutritional and economic value. The sesame seeds are also used for medical purposes and in making various traditional food, including the Omani halwa. صالح بو خلفان الرحبي, Wilaya of Manah, Al-Dakhiliya Governorate.